Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to host a website using GitHub or how to create a GitHub page. Type github.com in browser search bar. Sign in with your username and password. Create new repository. Click Create Repository. Click Settings. Click Choose a theme. Select any theme. Select all, paste your own HTML code. Change the HTML file name. Click Commit Changes. HTML code is saved successfully. Click Settings. Click the link under GitHub Pages. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.